The overall goal of this innovative battery is to assess multiple components of working memory in school-aged children using a child-friendly computer interface.
The Comprehensive Assessment Battery for Children, Working Memory, also called the CABC Working Memory, can help us better understand working memory in children by comprehensively assessing central executive function, visual spatial skills, and phonological working memory. The main advantage of the CABC working memory is that it enables a comprehensive assessment of working memory using a child-friendly, motivating computer interface in a game context. Demonstrating the procedure will be research scientist Cabbage. She will be helping the child participant complete the CABC working memory.
Begin by escorting the child into the testing room and seating him in front of the computer at the appropriate distance. Then place an adjustable headphone on his head and use a splitter to connect an extra set of headphones for the assistant to wear during task administration. Next, instruct the child to use the touchscreen interface to select a pirate avatar that he will use throughout the game, consisting of 13 working memory tasks. After selecting the pirate avatar, direct the child to select one of the 5 islands on the screen. Then instruct the child to select one of the picture icons on his selected island, which will start a task. Note that all tasks within the CABC working memory are narrated by a computer.